you too, Nova.
I'm serious. Her name is Jojo, and I'm very, very happy.
Oh, it's very good. Congratulations, Nova.
Yes, I thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, Andy. How are you today?
Morning, oh, I very sad today.
Why?
I can make problem.
Why not?
Tell me, perhaps I can help you.
Yes, of course. I just eat too.
Hi, good morning all.
Morning.
Hi Andy. Are you okay?
No, Ika, I not good.
Why?
I is sick.